Hey there, I'm Rita Bearcat and this is my YouTube channel. If you like artsy videos, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, if you would give it a thumbs up, that would be super awesome because that helps YouTube to know that people like this channel and like these type of videos and will show it to other people. This is day 6 of 30 days of art journaling challenges that I took upon myself. I sent out 30 days of art challenges to my subscribers of my newsletter. And if you are interested in what those are, I would be so happy to send those to you if you want to subscribe to my newsletter. I'm going to put the link below this video. I went ahead and put them here on YouTube, but you don't have to do them publicly like that or anything like that. I will send them to your inbox. It's not a big deal. I just went ahead and did them on YouTube because I knew that if I put them on YouTube that I would actually be accountable to them. But I didn't take into account that there might be Wi-Fi problems in my area. So for the past couple of days, I wasn't able to upload anything at all to YouTube. So today I'm uploading 2 different videos. And this one I thought would be totally fun to kind of pare down and show that you don't have to have a lot of supplies to do art journaling or to be creative. And so if you don't have a lot of paint or a lot of supplies, this entire page is being done all in monochromatic colors. I'm just using green. Everything's going to be green, different shades of green. And I'm not using a ton of supplies. I'm not using anything fancy. I didn't prep the page. I just have this journal. So this is one of the journals that I have in my shop. It's mixed media paper, and I'm just using watercolor in shades of green. So everything is in shades of green, and I use a pencil. I mean, it doesn't get any more basic than that. Watercolor, pencil, and paper. So anybody can do something creative and just do a basic, get your basic supplies. I mean, that's pretty basic. So I'm drawing this girl, and I just wanted to be able to show that you can just still be creative and not have to have just a ton of products. Now, I did use a pencil just so that I could have a little bit of a placement of where I wanted things to go. Now, there are videos before this, and there will be some after. So if you like this video, and you will do me a favor and hit that like button, and then subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. And if you want to join us in those challenges, you can click the link below and I will send those to your inbox. I hope you will take the challenge with us and do some art challenges. I would love to see what you're doing. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.